In the heart of the 19th century, the steam engine emerged as a pivotal force in naval warfare. Pioneered by visionaries like Isambard Kingdom Brunel, this technology revolutionized ship propulsion, freeing vessels from the dependence on wind. The iconic HMS Great Western, an early steam-powered ship, marked a turning point by completing transatlantic voyages with unprecedented speed. This innovation drastically altered naval strategies, as steam power allowed for greater maneuverability and independence. The legacy of the steam engine is profound, laying groundwork for modern naval fleets, where speed and reliability became critical components, forever reshaping maritime military strategies and global projections of power.